Hello dear ones, welcome to today's class. In the last class we have started with our chapter number 3, Raju's Hero. So today we will be dealing the second part of this chapter. So before going on to today's portion, let us discuss the last class portion in a nutshell. Okay, so we started our story by introducing our main character. So who was our main character? Yes, it's a young boy named Raju, and he was upset. Why he was upset? Because he has injured his leg, one of his leg, after falling off from a bike. And he was upset. He was more upset because there was a live test match that was happening on a nearby stadium between India and Australia, and where Sachin was playing for India. And this boy Raju wanted to watch this match in the stadium, but unfortunately because of his injured leg he could not go to the stadium along with his father and elder brother. What is the name of the elder brother? Yes, very good, it's Renju. So his father, Raju's father, his elder brother Renju and Raju, they have planned to watch the live cricket match on the stadium, which was scheduled to happen today, but unfortunately because of Raju's injured leg he could not travel and he could not watch the live match on the stadium. So that was the reason for his upsetness. Okay, so now moving on to the second part of the story. We have stopped at that point in the last class, so now we are continuing. So everybody turn to page number 127. On the middle portion, I will read that portion for you. Just take out your textbook and listen to me. Renju came in with some popcorn and chocolate cake. Here, have this, he said. I got them just for you. You can eat while you watch the match on the TV. It will cheer you up. Raju smiled and started eating the cake. We'll have to go now, son, said his father, coming in with his umbrella. I will try to get Sachin's autograph for you. How about that? Said Renju to his younger brother. So now Raju's father and his elder brother had decided to go to watch the live cricket match that was happening on the nearby stadium. And now, in order to cheer up Raju, Renju bought some popcorn and chocolate cake. So what are the two things that Renju bought? That popcorn and chocolate cake. Okay. So now Raju smiled and he took the chocolate cake and he started having it. And now the father came in and said that they are now going on to watch the live cricket match, and he promises Raju to bring an autograph of the Sachin when he comes back from the stadium. Okay, so now Raju was a big fan of Sachin Tendulkar. From till this point, while reading this, until this point we have came to know that Raju was a big fan of Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, and Raju had demanded to bring Sachin's autograph, and his father promises to bring Sachin's autograph. Okay, so now Raju waved goodbye to them and let his mother switch the TV on for him while he enjoyed the chocolate cake and the popcorn. He watched TV the entire day. Then his leg began to itch, and because of the plaster, he was unable to scratch it. He felt stiff sitting in the same position for hours. I don't like sitting idle, he said to his mother when she came in to see how he was. Never mind, she said, it's all right. Everybody seemed to be saying that to me today, thought Raju. I don't want to be a rotten plaster on my leg. I want to be at the match with Dad and Renju. I want to watch Sachin play. So here, Raju's father and elder brother Renju left for watching the match, and now Raju's mother switched on the TV and he watched the TV the entire day. Now his leg, the leg on which the leg which was plastered began to itch, and he was unable to move his leg because of sitting on the same position for long hours. And now his mother comes to the scene and says, it's all right, son, no problem, you will be okay within few weeks. So he was upset because of his broken leg. Okay, and he says one sentence, I don't want to be a rotten plaster on my leg. That means he calls the plaster as rotten. Okay, so here it is, he fell stiff sitting in the same position for hours, and he became angry and said, I don't want a rotten plaster on my leg. I want to be at the match with Dad and Renju, and he want to see Sachin playing for India. Okay, now moving on to the next portion, page number 128, second paragraph. Okay, India won the match. When his father and Renju returned, they both looked very pleased. His father was smiling and Renju was chanting, Indians are the best, Indians are the best. Hey Raju, I bought a hat for you at the stadium, said his father. Did you see Sachin? Asked Raju. Of course, said Renju. He scored 200 runs and took 2 important wickets. Guess what? Near the end of the match, he fell down while trying to take a catch. They had to help him to get off the ground. So now, in the later part of this story, we came to know that India had won the match and Renju and father came back home. They were very happy, they were smiling, and Renju was chanting the words, Indians are the best, Indians are the best. Okay, and Raju's father had bought a hat for Raju from the stadium, and now Raju asked, did you got Sachin's autograph? So Renju says, we couldn't get Sachin's autograph, and Raju also asked, did you see Sachin? So Renju says, yes, of course, he had seen Sachin, and more than that, Renju gives a short description about the match. That means Sachin had scored 200 runs in this particular match, and he had taken 2 important wickets. Okay, and when Sachin was trying to take a catch, he fell on the ground, and there were so many ground staffs. They took Sachin back to the stadium. Okay, and this was the situation that had happened, and Raju was very upset because Sachin got injured while playing for India. Okay, that's why Renju also informs that they couldn't get Sachin's autograph. Okay, the very next day, the newspapers reported or announced that Sachin had injured his arm and he was out of the game for next 2 weeks. Okay, so now 2 weeks later, 2 weeks have gone by, and now Raju had to go to the hospital to visit the doctor and to inquire about his condition of the leg. And now the doctor want to examine his leg and put a new plaster on that particular leg. Okay, so now the scene shifts to the hospital, and now where we could see Raju is waiting for his turn to visit the doctor. Okay, so we are stopping at this point, and now we will continue the next part of this story in the next class. Okay, so while reading this many paragraphs, you might have come across certain new words. So I have noted the 3 new words. Itch means to cause pain. Stiff means not moving freely. Now chanting means to make melodic sounds with the voice. That means a particular sound is being repeated. So here Renju is repeating or chanting the words, Indians are the best, Indians are the best. Okay, so there comes this word chanting. Okay, so now homework for you. So you have to write your homeworks at the back side of your notebook. Put today's date and write the answer for this particular question. Suggest a few activities Raju could have done rather than complaining that he had to sit idle. So you have to use your creativity to find out certain activities that Raju could have done rather than complaining about his injured leg. Okay, just mention at least 3 activities. Okay, so until we meet next time, thank you.